Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 12, leçon S. And in this lesson we'll see identical words in English and in French. Sorry, I was somewhere else. And we'll talk in this lesson about the words ending in English with a, de, e. Okay? And of course the first thing that we've got to keep in mind is well, the word must exist in French, which is not the case for all the words ending with ad, okay? So that's the first thing. But then if they do exist, well, the meaning will be the same. Keep also in mind that we've got, of course, few exceptions or few modifications possible. And in most of the cases, but not all the cases, we'll see that they will be feminine, okay? So we can start right now. Oops. Une accolade, une arcade, une balade, une balustrade, une barricade, une brigade, une cascade, une charade, une chiffonnade, une escalade, une escapade, une esplanade, une façade, une fusillade, une grenade, une grillade, une noyade, une orangeade, une palissade, une parade, une passade, un plantigrade. You've got an exception here. Une promenade. Un or une rétrograde. Une sérénade. Un stade. Exception. Une tirade. Une torsade. And that's it for this list of words. And then if you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier. The Facebook page is online and it's waiting for your like. So that's the address. And then more material can be found here, www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.